Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got the baddest tailgate rig we've ever built. Let's check it out. This is for LS Energy Services down in South Houston, Texas. They called us up and said, guys, we need a rig that will do a little bit of everything. I said, got you, brother. Up front here, we got enclosed storage box, dual propane tanks, custom stainless steel logo up there, removable. All right, here we got a hand wash station, instant hot water. We've got a little storage underneath here. Also, this does have a full marine kicker audio system on it, 1500 watt amp there, 4 speakers on the awning, sounds great. We've got a little stainless steel shelf here, of course. As you can see, roof fold out awnings. Also, we've got LED lights, 6 LED spotlights all the way around. So you're cooking late, you can actually see, and this sucker's bright, let me tell you. And this is on our TMG trailer package. All right, we got dual 6,000 pound axles, brakes on the back. We build all of our trailers in-house, guys, and we design them around your setup. So we'll take every different aspect you want, lay it all out, and then design the trailer around that. So we really take pride in building our trailers, super heavy duty, dual 6-inch tube frame rail the whole way. Now this is our TMG 500 gallon tank smoker. We've got the counterweighted doors, full bottom trays in there. And of course, both sliding top racks, that's all standard. Normally we do a fold down stack. It's gonna be a little hard with the roof though, so we just got a standard stack there. Got your damper open and then lock it back into place while you're going down the road. All of our tank smokers do come with our Tell True thermometers in them, as well as a fully insulated firebox. So you can see the door's insulated. We got a 24-inch pipe on the inside wrapped with insulation. The front of it's also insulated, so it holds heat very well. On the back side, of course, right next to your firebox and your Santa Maria grill, we got the wood storage. Now we did do a folding stainless steel top on this. So that'll fold up, kind of keep your wood dry. It'll give you a place to prep off of as well. Fold that back down. And as you can see, it does have our white wall tire package on it with the Baby Moon hubcaps, stainless steel fender topper, and then right in front of this 48-inch Santa Maria grill. Guys, these grills are awesome. Raise and lower your cooking grate as you go. You got the double door set up here to tend your fire. It does have a built-in grease drain on the front and back of it as well. And up next, we've got our double burner setups. Y'all see these on a lot of our trailers. We've got 2 10-inch propane burners. We got the griddle top that folds up so you can still set you a pot or pan up here if you'd like to. 1/4-inch griddle top, by the way, super heavy duty with a lock on it to lock it down. Then next to it, we've got our 6-gallon Cajun fryer here, double basket with the regulator down here to the side. We've got a little stainless steel shelf next to that, of course. And then we got the refrigerator. I added a fridge on here, 2 slide outs. You gotta keep the beer cold, fellas, you know what I'm saying? So we got the fridge on there. Then we also did a matching white wall spare tire up here on the front. Got a pretty slick rig coming out here to going down to Texas. We love building these tailgate rigs, kind of our specialty. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.